Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tips video. If you are trying to monitor your mental health, the health app actually has a pretty useful feature in iOS 17. So in order to use this feature, you want to open the health app and you want to tap on browse and then tap on mental well-being. Towards the middle of the screen, you will see state of mind. So if you tap on state of mind, you will be able to log your current emotion or mood. So tap on log and you will get a prompt here, and you can customize it however you want, but we'll just hit next. And now on this page, you'll be able to log your mood. So if we go towards the left, it's very unpleasant. And if we go towards the right, you can see that it is very pleasant. Once you have selected your mood, tap on next and it will actually be logged. So if we tap on next, we can see exactly why you feel that way, and the iPhone will give you some prompts and then you can select the prompts. And if you hit next, then there will be more prompts for you to actually be aware of why you feel the way you feel. So hopefully this would be helpful for someone who is struggling with their mental health. If you found this video helpful, please share it, please like, and consider subscribing. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.